People always ask me why their Wi-Fi slows down or feels like it's haunted. 9 out of 10 times it's because someone never updated the preset router password that came out of the box when they bought it. Classic rookie move. Changing the router password is that one simple thing that makes your network safer, faster, and cleaner. Especially with Netgear. They're good routers, but their default admin passwords are basically printed on candy wrappers at this point. First, you need to connect to your Netgear network, either via Wi-Fi or directly with an Ethernet cable. Don't use cellular data for this. You'll just confuse the browser and get bounced before you even get started. Then open up your browser and type this in the address bar, http:/.routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1 if that first one doesn't pull up. That takes you into the Netgear router's web-based dashboard. It's like mission control for your Wi-Fi. If it asks for a username and password, it's probably admin and password unless you changed them before. If those don't work, someone else beat you to the punch and changed it. Time to call your roommate or reset the router. Once you're in, look for the Wireless Settings or Wi-Fi Settings tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see something like SSID for your network name and then 2 password fields, usually split between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Change the passwords to something strong but still easy to remember, like Portland 2024 Strong. Just don't use that one, obviously. Use capitals, numbers, symbols. The more unpredictable, the better. Don't go full Shakespeare, though. You still have to type it. Pro tip. Avoid the trap of reusing that same old password from your Netflix or email. Your Wi-Fi is the front door to everything else digital at home, so treat that key like it actually protects something precious. Hit apply or save, and your router will do a tiny reboot. Your devices may disconnect, but don't freak out. Just reconnect using the new password. If nothing reconnects, well, double-check that you didn't typo it like a drunk pigeon. A lot of people stop here and forget step 2 of the game. Change your admin login too, not just the Wi-Fi password. That's the password that controls all other passwords, and it's usually still admin password for half of America. To change that, go into the Administration or Set Password tab in your router dashboard. Create a good admin password and don't lose it. Write it down somewhere that isn't your fridge or under a cat magnet. If all else fails, like you're totally locked out, can't remember anything, dog chewed the sticky note, you can reset the router with a paperclip. Hold the reset pin for 10 seconds. That gives you factory settings, and then you can start fresh. Doing this every 6 months puts you ahead of 90% of users who never touch their router again after unboxing it, which is kind of like installing a lock on your door and never setting a code. Once again, don't be that person.